Did the market crash begin? And are we still expecting a melt-up? The market's pretty much done what we thought. It went down from the 2nd and now until the 21st on Monday. People have been asking me what next. Our timing is going to stay the same. We're looking for a rally starting this week and likely to have a high on the 20th of September and a low late October. However, the form matters. It's possible that if this decline in October is not a crash, and the reason for it is the market never rallied enough to create the conditions for a crash, then the rally after that in November is likely to be very, very large, make new highs, and then we'll have the crash starting in December, January, February of next year. There are two possibilities. Either way, the timing is the same. One caveat, however, the way the market went down the last 3 weeks is a little more bearish than one would like if you want to see an immediate recovery. It's more likely that the recovery will happen and the market will rally this week. However, it is still possible between now and the 4th of September for a new low to happen in this decline phase. We didn't reach the Andrews median line, which is around 42.50. We didn't reach the 200-day moving average, which is 41.60. So there's still a possibility, and you have to be careful to make sure to protect your investment and put protective stops in this trade, just in case it wants to go down a little bit further before it goes up again. The timing is very, very similar to what we expect. This coming week, we expect a rally at least till the 25th or the following Monday, the 28th of August. By the way, the next opportunity for you to learn how to forecast the markets is coming up in a few weeks. Check the link below. We expect that if the market wants to be a little bit ornery, which it might be, it could shoot down again for a few days from the 28th to the end of the month and create one more wave down and possibly take out the lows that it made on the 18th or the 21st. If so, we're still not bearish until after September 20th or possibly as late as October 5th before the market's ready to fall down again. So depending upon how high it goes between the late part of August, either the 21st or the 30th of August, and the October 5th latest point of the strength, that will determine whether or not we make a new high and we have a crash then, or we don't make a new high. We still have a big decline in October, but it isn't necessarily a big crash. After that, if it does not crash in October, we'd expect to see a significant rally after the low late October, the 25th of October roughly, until November 27th, a big rally, and then we would get the huge break that could be happening in October. If it doesn't happen then, it would happen between November and February of 2024. Also, you can see in this chart, which we call our matrix channel chart, we can see how there's a clear coming together of a number of lines, and the timing angle, which is going through those lines, has just passed through that cluster. This is usually a very, very good short-term buying opportunity, and it happened on Friday. So it reinforces that the price levels that we reached were support levels, and that the market is likely to reverse to the upside immediately. It is slightly possible that Monday will still have a little bit of a decline before it gets going, but the likelihood is a very strong one that we'll have a rally this week based on the matrix information. There's a little more bearish influence right at the moment than we anticipated. This Venus retrograde actually has a tendency to cause the market to go down. You can check it in the past. It's very reliable. And if indeed it continues to push the market down, we still could see one more decline phase, one more new low before it's ready to go up again into late September or early October.